So hello everyone, my name is Pritam and welcome to another video of the C programming playlist. And in this video, we are going to discuss about pointers. Now, what exactly pointers are, and why you should learn pointers, and what exactly I am going to explain in the entire lecture of pointers, which will be divided into separate videos, obviously. And this is the introduction, and I will take you like go through a journey. What exactly we are going to discuss, how many what are the topics we are going to cover. All these things will be covered in this video. Okay. Now let me talk about pointers. Now, what exactly pointers are? Pointer किसको बोलेंगे? The person who drives is called driver. The person who plays is called player. So obviously the thing, anything which will point to something else, that is called pointer. Correct. So how would you point it? Like let me give you a real life example. So you have seen like various goons or police came to an area and stops in front of a like pan wala shop or something like that and asks like ye bhaiya kidhar milenge. That guy points to that thing, and then they used to go, right? So that means what? He knows what exactly his address, that person's address exactly is, and that's how he points to that address, and so that our building or something like that, and it goes. Okay. Or what exactly it could be, like someone's address, okay, and they came to you. Some few people came to you like and asked that, do you know his address or something like that? Any kind of IP address it could be, or physical address, MAC address, many kind of address it could be. Correct, in the computer science. So obviously you could say that, okay, this is the address 162.19.2.20. Okay. That's kind of the 169.172.2.20. This is our IP address of our college MIS accounts. Okay. So internal IP, obviously you cannot access it. Yeah. So yeah, this kind of address. And here in this example, I would say I am the pointer who actually pointing to the MS address. Correct. So that is how the anything, it could be anything which points to an address, that is called a pointer. It could be a human, anything. Okay. So in C programming, obviously pointers are something which will points to some address in the memory. Now you will ask that what exactly memories are. Correct. So we will talk about it one by one, but I would say in C, pointer is one of the most powerful thing in the C programming. If you tell someone you know C, they will expect that you know pointers. Okay, they will expect, because C is the most powerful thing, like due to pointers. Actually, C's entire power, like I would say, like if it would be like what should I say, pointer is everything. Like without pointers, C cannot sustain. There is no existence of C at all. Okay. And if you see any other programming language, why I'm telling to understand pointer in a good way, because like in other programming languages like C plus, Java, Python, Golang, JavaScript, Ruby and Rails, or any other programming language in the world, any other programming language, even Rust also. Okay, without pointer, it is not possible. Yeah, few people will be coming up and they will comment that no by Python में तो pointer नहीं है. नहीं भाई है, pointer है, pointer हर जगह है, pointer के बिना कुछ नहीं हो सकता. You should know how pointers work, how internally pointers work, how they calculate the address, how the memory is getting allocated, how it could be free, or many other stuffs. Okay, many things in detail we are going to discuss, and I'm going to explain it to you guys, because this is very much important, very much important, trust me. Okay, the most important thing using pointers which normally we do is the simplifying the call by reference, returning more than one value from a function, accessing the dynamic memory allocations, implementing data structures like linked list, stack, queues, this kind of things, graphs, trees, and improving the efficiency of any C code. It is very much important you use pointers. Okay, now let me talk about some things which we will be discussing in the entire journey of pointers in this playlist, and how you should take it. Like you should understand the concepts first, the way I will be explaining along with examples, and after that what you will be doing at home, that you will be practicing those things. Okay, you will be practicing those things, and along with the like once, like parallelly you will be watching the video and you will be practicing. Okay, that should be the way you should do, otherwise you will not understand each and every concept after my explanation. Either you watch the video, take the notes, and then you try to practice at home, and it needs some time actually to get expertised with pointers. I would say take some time and invest that time so that you could have a good understanding, good like I would say very much foundation in programming world. Because when you will be calling any Python code, when you will be writing any Java code, C++, Golang, any kind of programming language you are using, internally they are actually using pointers. Even in SQL also, the internal implementation of SQL needs pointer actually, because it if you are implementing any B tree, B plus tree, any kind of things, you will be needed pointer. The concept will be coming up. If you are understanding graphs, pointer will be coming up. Without that you cannot even understand anything. Yeah, I would say, yeah, many developers might be understanding all those things without pointers also, but that understanding will be little bit, I would say, blank. Okay, it will be blank, and it will not be concrete enough. Okay, I would say. So that's why I'm emphasizing like so many times to my juniors and students and other people also, that understanding of pointer is very much important. Okay, so now let me go through the things like what exactly we are going to discuss for pointers. Okay, so first of all we will talk about the memory first. What exactly memory is, and how like memories are getting allocated inside the memory. Okay, how actually we allocate the memory for any variable or any data type or anything. What exactly address operator is, pointer variable क्या होता है, how would you declare it, how would you assign the address, dereferencing of pointers, and then pointer arithmetic, pointer to pointer, and like I would say pointer comparisons also, and how to compare, and precedence of dereferencing operator and increment operator. There is a thing like I will explain some scenarios, because when you will be dealing with pointers and you will be doing some pointer arithmetic, so incremental and decremental operator would be there. Okay, you will not be writing like asterisk p equal to asterisk p plus 1, so you'll be writing asterisk p plus asterisk plus plus p, or something like that. Many other conditions will be coming up. So all these things we are going to discuss. We are going to take some example, and we are going to understand how these things are happening. Okay, next what will happen, pointer to pointer is there. Okay, and then we will jump into the understanding of array itself a pointer. Okay, the internal implementation of array itself a pointer. Actually pointer actually points to different locations. So we will discuss about array, because in this playlist we haven't talked about array at all. So what exactly array is, and how would you traverse the array, basic operations in one video we are going to discuss. And after that we again jump into the pointers and one dimensional array, because the implementation of array using pointers are very important, crucial to understand. Along with that we are going to discuss about 2D arrays as well, because 2D array implementation also would be there, and we will be talking about subscripting pointer variables, pointer to an array which is called array pointer, a pointer which will be pointing to in an array exactly. Okay, so after that we are going to implement that pointer to an array or array pointer to implement two-dimensional arrays and three-dimensional arrays as well. So these are the things that they are. Then the most important and famous and most awaited part of all the students, which is a call by reference. How call by reference are working, and why we should not use call by value each and everywhere. Exactly what exactly call by reference means. Is it really, can we return to all the like many elements from a function? I like, how would you do that actually? What is happening? So it is not possible technically. Practically it is not possible, but technically using pointer technique it is possible, I would say. So we are going to discuss about that, and then returning more than one value from a function, then function returning pointer, passing one dimensional array to a function, various case scenarios, two-dimensional arrays, three-dimensional arrays, array of pointers are there, which are like pointer array. Now array is nothing but like an integer array could be there, or a lot of integer would be storing inside an array. So accordingly we can store multiple pointers inside an array. So in I will discuss. So these are very important thing, very essential thing. This structure, if you could understand, it will help you to understand graph trees, implementing linked list. Actually, not linked list, I would say customized data structure implementation. You will understand how it could be done. Okay, so that is the thing. Then a few gate problems also we are going to discuss. Few scenarios we'll discuss actually in gate, in ISRO, bar, in each and every competitive exams, like computer science engineering competitive exam government level. So there it will be coming. If you go for triple IT Hyderabad master degree entrance exam or any other master degree entrance exam, even in foreign university written test as well, even in placement scenarios, each and everywhere, like one, if you're a fresher or if you're applying for masters, one question could be coming from pointer for sure. It will be coming, so take it very seriously, I would say. And after that, void pointer, another masterpiece, I would say, in C programming. It is void pointers, and how actually void pointers are very much useful to implement lot of things like dynamic memory allocation, like malloc, alloc, reloc. All these three functions we are using void pointers. Actually, they are returning void pointers. Okay, so and then free function are there, dynamic arrays are there. Okay, so these kind of stuff, and then pointer to functions as well, declaring pointer to functions, how do you call a pointer through a function pointer. So these are the things we will be discussing in the entire journey of pointers. And then at the end of the day, array to function pointers, and then some complex declaration of pointer variables. We will be talking about some exercises as well. Okay, so this is the entire journey of pointers. I would say one by one, each and every video you should take some time, you should watch that video and take the notes and try to practice in your VS Code for sure. Okay, try to draw the diagram and try to understand how I am explaining. So take the notes for sure, it will help you seriously, I'm telling you. So it is very essential. If you are not understanding it, I would say watch again and again. And if you are facing any issue, let me know in the comment section. I will definitely I will solve your problem for sure. Okay, this is my responsibility as a teacher, so don't worry about that. Just take out the copy and write the note and write the codes as well. Okay, thank you so much. And this much for today, and see you in the next video, guys. And we will start one by one. Okay, so yeah, and those who are new, who haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button, because it takes a lot of time and effort to make such contents for all of you guys. So it will be very appreciable if you could subscribe and share and like the video, and let me know in the comment section if you are not liking anything, if you are want to give any feedback. I would take it as a feedback for sure, and please let me know in the comment section. Okay, thank you so much, guys, and see you in the next video.